Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my kitchen. They're kind of one and the same thing because as much as I'd like to tell myself that I don't think about food all the time, yeah, I end up in here one way or another. And I guess I kind of set that up myself because when we found this farmhouse and we moved from Sydney back to the Barossa, our absolute number one mission was to be able to grow as much of our own food as possible. And we're giving it a good crack. I wouldn't say that we've nailed it, but it's a really exciting process. And the most amazing part of that is not just that you learn how to plant and know when to plant and the flow of the seasons, but there's the other side of that, which is you need to know what to do with all of that produce because inevitably it all comes at once. Everything's ripe. So it's just this whole new skill set. And because we're plant-based, it makes it all the easier to grow your own food. But in that, we've kind of ended up making a lot of stuff that perhaps we've missed out on. You know, when you go plant-based, there's obvious things that you really miss. Cheese, butter, milk. So I started making some of that stuff purely because I couldn't get my hands on it. And then because we had a market stall at the local farmers market, I discovered that there was a whole community of like-minded people who were also plant-based and also wanting to get their hands onto the things that they felt were kind of gaps in their diet. So that then went to a kind of a mini range of products, I suppose, and on advice from two people that I absolutely respect, we've decided to go to the next step and make those products all the more accessible. I want to know what it is that you feel like you're missing out on if you've gone plant-based, or what it is that you would go plant-based for. Oh, if only I had that thing, then I'd be able to go plant-based. And look, I just absolutely love the concept of kind of veganizing anything. Look, first and foremost, and ultimately, it's about really delicious food that is your first choice, regardless of the fact that it happens to be 100% plant-based, that it's organic and it's whole, and a lot of the times it's gluten-free and sometimes it's raw, but it kind of sets up a scenario where no one misses out because it's all the things. So, if that sounds like a bit of a plan and you want to hit subscribe, do that, pop the kettle on, and let's do this.